In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time and date format in ClickUp, if you want your workspace to match the way you prefer to view dates and time. This is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few clicks. Updating these options can make your calendar easier to read and help your workspace feel more natural for your region or personal preference. To begin, make sure you're on your ClickUp home workspace. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. This is where ClickUp keeps your personal account options and settings. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several account-related options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your personal settings area, where you can customize how ClickUp works for you. After that, the My Settings page will appear. On this page, scroll down toward the bottom until you find the section for time and date format. This is the area where you can control how your calendar and time information are displayed throughout ClickUp. First, choose your preferred start of the calendar week. For example, some people like their week to begin on Sunday, while others prefer Monday. Pick the option that best matches how you normally organize your schedule. Next, choose your preferred time format. Depending on your preference, you may want to use a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. This is especially helpful if you want your task times and scheduling details to appear in a format you recognize instantly. Then, choose your preferred date format. This lets you decide how dates are displayed, such as month, day, and year order. Selecting the right format can help avoid confusion, especially if you work with teams in different regions. Once you've made your selections, click on Save Changes. This is important, because your new preferences won't be applied until you save them. After saving, the new changes should reflect in your ClickUp workspace. You should now see your updated time and date display based on the options you selected. If you don't notice the changes right away, give the page a moment to refresh or navigate to another area of ClickUp and back again. And that's it. You've successfully updated the time and date format in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.